So I want to show you quick how to remove the battery tray on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. There is this rubber here that holds the connector in the slot. And you just plug it up like that. So it just comes out straight up. You cannot pull it on it side by side. It has to sit exactly right in the correct position over the contacts, and then you just push down. That's how it's connected. And it won't fall off so easy. That's how it clips in. So in case you have to replace that tray or take it off when you work on this board. Don't forget to put the rubber back on there. You see the wires left a dent in this rubber piece. You can glue that on if you want with like super glue. That doesn't fall away. I can show you here when the battery tray is put together later. It basically pushes the plug back up there so that it cannot be removed, that it doesn't fall off. So when you put the main board back in, it will hold itself in place. Okay, so I want to talk about what makes the faceplate waterproof. And let's see here where the faceplate is connected to the GoPro itself. When we look at this. So up here is a little groove. That's where a little clip or extrusion holds the faceplate in there. Over here is a super glue piece. Then we have here a double-sided tape that holds it on. And then up here, there is some epoxy glue that can only be mechanically removed. So no matter how much heat you introduce with a heat gun, you cannot soften that up because this whole thing is a heat sink. The waterproofness is happening here. So we have the blue stuff is a silicone seal, a silicone gasket. And then over here is just rubber pads or silicone pads that give a tight seal to the door here for USB and HDMI. They are like this little rim there around it is actually the one that water seals it. And then in the battery flap here, the battery door, this is the same scenario. That little rim here of silicone is the one what keeps water out of the battery compartment there. But as soon as that seal breaks, the camera will attract water.